Hello and welcome to Technical Humor. Today we're gonna unbox and show you a device which can automatically clean your house and maybe make you ditch the mop and bucket. It's a robotic vacuum cleaner with mop and self-emptying station. This product is from the brand iLife and the model is T10S. It has very powerful suction motor for vacuuming and different kinds of brushes for mopping. It has advanced LDS navigation technology which can do quick mapping of your house and then later it will clean your house automatically on different times. Now let's unbox and see what's inside of this packaging. The very first thing that we will get in this package is a manual for the machines and a dust collecting bag of the self-emptying station. The dust bag has a capacity of 2.5 liter. This means you can easily store 1 month or 2 months of dust in this dust bag. The manual contains all the detailed instructions of how to use this device and also all the required informations about the device. There is also information regarding the warranty issue on this manual. The next thing that we are gonna take out from the package is the iLife robotic vacuum cleaner. It was wrapped in polypack. Now we are gonna put it on one side and we will focus on the next items. The next items are some brushes. These are attached with the vacuum cleaner to remove dust particles from hard surface area, and it also can clean dust from flat carpet. The next item is a mopping cloth. The vacuum cleaner uses this mop cloth to remove dust from hard surface area. Then we get a filter and a cleaning tool. There is also another mopping cloth in the package, so we get actually two mopping cloth in this package. The next thing is the dust emptying station. Here are few compartments for different purpose. Inside this emptying station, there are spaces for the dust bag, charging module, and the dust discharge system. These are all packaging contents. Those are being displayed right now. Now we will be discussing about the vacuum cleaner, its different functions, and how it operates. Here is a compartment for the dust filter. When the air gets sucked via air vent, this filter protects the inside mechanisms. Here is a water chamber for storing waters that gets used during the mopping procedure. Here are some instructions being drawn on how to clean the filter. This is how you can attach brushes underneath the vacuum cleaner. If you want to change or replace any brush, then you can easily do it. Now we will turn on this machine and see how it works. After turning on the power button, the machine gets awake. When it's ready to function, you can then connect it with a mobile phone.
Powering on.
You can then control the vacuum cleaner from your mobile app.
Start collecting dust.
The vacuum cleaner starts scanning the whole area and then creates a map. Then it starts cleaning the whole area, whether the floor is hard surface, tiles or wooden floor. The vacuum cleaner can recharge itself automatically. The battery backup time is good also. Then the vacuum cleaner starts cleaning again from where it left. You can control the vacuuming and mopping system with different functions using the mobile app. The mobile app has all the necessary
Dust
features
collection complete.
and these features are super time saver. The iLife robot vacuum cleaner T10S is really very useful device for daily house cleaning. This device is full of many smart technologies and comes in a very good budget. If you really want to easy your cleaning works, then this robot vacuum cleaner can really help you. As for a budget robot vacuum cleaner, T10S has done really remarkable jobs here.